I'm a good boy. I'll clear it all. I will clear it all. Right? Like for real. Oh, hello there. Ice cap appears. Jerry came too. Hello. I haven't seen. That's not what I wanted to do. My bad. Whoa, hello. Ow! I looked at what you said, and I got hit. Check. Everyone knows Jerry. Makes attacks 2 seconds longer. Ditch Jerry. Okay. Ah! I'm gonna ignore. Oh god! I'm gonna ignore the shit out of you, motherfucker. Oh my god! I thought I got. Oh god! I thought I got rid of him. Why is he back? Go away! One monster is enough, especially since you make their attacks frickin' longer. Clear the map! He's got 20 frickin' defense too! Like, why? I'm pretty sure he'd be hard to kill on a genocide run. I am this person. This is the person that I am. I am so sorry. My video preview is stuck, like, on Lesser Dog. Go away, Jerry! I barely made that. Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, I know. I am just exactly what everybody... Oh my god. So he comes back after 2 turns. So I can ditch. Woo! Okay. I need to, like, heal up some things. Already been healed? Already been used several times? Ew, nasty. Well, because of the lag in the stream, I don't know, like, when exactly I'm fighting for you, and when I'm actually fighting. Go away, little ball. Compelling gameplay to the max. I cleared it! Go to the X, okay. I shall go to the X. And then I press X on the X. No, I press Z on the X. Never mind. Now is not the time, garbage truck. You are loud and disrupting my stream. I gotta fight. Oh my gosh. Go away. Ow. Whew. I'm gonna laugh. Okay, okay. Not cool. Right though? Right though? Right though? Okay. Now, I can do this with... I was about to say I can do this without getting hit, but apparently not. God damn it. Yeah, this one is better. No, I forgot. That's longer. Okay. If I ditch you... Okay. 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 Thank you for calling me great. I could have gone back here and done this instead of wasting... Thank you for following. I really appreciate it.
What's that smell? Where's that smell? If you're a smell, identify your smell. Here's that weird smell. It makes me want to eliminate. Eliminate you.
Dog, I assault you. Dog me, Dogaressa. Nope, that's not what I wanted. What? What? Ah! Okay. Jazz hands! Interestingly enough, because bats' wings are technically finger bones, bats literally fly through the power of jazz hands. Thanks for the tip. Oh, do humans have tails? Whoa. The dogs may want to re-smell you.
What? Smells like a... Are you actually a little puppy?
Ah! Ah! The dogs think you may be a lost little puppy. I'm a pet her. A dog that pets. Ah! Oh god. That's a scary attack! Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa! 40 gold, thanks. Dogs can better the dogs? A new world has opened up for us. I don't like that voice. Thanks, weird puppy. I feel like he should be like really gruff, and she should be like really feminine. But I can't do a feminine voice. At all. Turn every X into an O, and then press the switch. Okay?
What? How did you avoid my trap? And more importantly, is there any left for me?
What do you tell Papyrus about his spaghetti? I left it.
Really? Wowee! You resisted the flavor of my home-cooked pasta! Just so you can share it with me? Fret not, human! I, Master Chef Papyrus, will make you all the pasta you could ever want! Yeah!
I didn't want to lie.
My brother started a salt collection recently. How saddening. Sometimes I wonder what he would do without such a cool guy taking care of him. Yeah!
Okay.
Human! How do I say this? You are taking a long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle by arranging the snow to look more like my face. Unfortunately, the snow froze to the ground. Now the solution is different. And, as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. I suppose what I'm saying is, worry not, human. I, the great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try the puzzle yourself. I'll try not to give away the answer.
That's alright, man. I like to figure out puzzles myself. Let's see. I got this. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I already got this. I already got this. I'm not even gonna look over there. I already got this. Press Z on the trees. Alright.
Wow! You solved it! And you did it without my help! Incredible! I'm impressed! You must care about puzzles like I do. Well, I'm sure you'll love this next puzzle then. It might even be too easy for you.
There's a switch on the trunk of this tree. I pressed it. Should I have done that before I solved this? Probably.
Joyzy. Good job on solving it so quickly. You didn't even need my help.
Yeah.
Help. Which is great, because I love doing absolutely nothing.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Hey! It's the human!
Sans teleported again, what the...
Ah! You're gonna love this puzzle! It was made by the great Dr. Alphys. You see these tiles? Once I throw this switch, they will begin to change color. Each color has a different function. Red tiles are impassable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you.
Obviously.
Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have to fight a monster. Orange tiles are orange scented. They will make you smell delicious. Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Also, if a blue tile is next to a yellow tile, the water will also zap you. Purple tiles are slippery.
Alright.
You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery soap smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like. Purple and blue are okay. Finally, pink tiles. They don't do anything. Step on them all you like. How was that? Understand?
I feel like I probably